Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be looking at a Python file double underscore file method. So alright, you might say, well, what's double underscore file method used for? Well, in this example, this is our first ever additional video for a video request. So this is why it's so important we're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. So alright, the question came in is, what is this? So let's just go ahead and bring this in, and we need to run this and put this in memory because we need to look at, so we know what name is, double underscore name is, it's main. But we do not know what double underscore file is. It just happens to be the absolute path of the script, the file that we just ran. And if we recall what os.path.dir name does, all it does is, oops, I did not re-import this. Sorry guys. Alright, so it just returns the directory name. So that is as simple as all this is. So it is just another way to skin the cat. And this is why get current working directory. There we go. Just another example. That's why, oops, that variable is cwd, current working directory. So this is just another example of why I love programming so much. Is there is always more than one way to do a task, and the more tools you have, the more ways you're able to solve problems, go through them easier, faster, shortcuts, and still understand what you're doing. But this was a great question, and this is our very first additional requested video. So that's why it is so important for you to drop any comments, questions, or here we go, video requests, and we're just going to do those in addition to sticking with our format of tutorial videos, and any requested videos will come out 12 hours the opposite side. So there we go. So as always guys, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and the like button if these are the videos, kind of videos you're liking, and most important, that notification bell, because I don't want you missing a thing, because I really want this channel to be driven towards more of a community, and I think we've been doing a really good job with that. So as always, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.